Road Transport and Shipping Minister Sheikh Robiul Alam has said that extra fare collection or extortion on roads, highways, railways and waterways during the upcoming Eid travel will not be tolerated. On February 28, after visiting the Shitalakha River and river port area in Narayanganj, he stated that transport owners and workers have been clearly instructed that fares must not be increased during Eid. If the directive is violated, strict action will be taken. The minister said that all necessary preparations have been taken to make this year's Eid journey more comfortable and safer than before. Advanced measures have been adopted to avoid traffic congestion on the Dhaka-Sylhet and Dhaka-Chattogram highways. Traffic police, river police and the Coast Guard along with the relevant agencies will remain active in the field. Special monitoring will be ensured in areas where there is a risk of traffic disruption or disorder. He mentioned that the collection of extra money in the name of tolls on waterways has been stopped. If any complaint of overcharging passengers during Eid travel is received, immediate action will be taken. He also directed that legal measures be taken if goods are not unloaded from anchored vessels, causing an artificial shortage of essential commodities in the market. Action has already been taken against a vessel that delayed unloading wheat. Regarding pollution of the Shitalakha River, the minister said that necessary steps will be taken quickly in coordination with the relevant ministry. He also assured that the long-pending Narayanganj double line project will be expedited. The state minister for shipping and senior officials were present during the visit. Desk report, Bangladesh Guardian.